Hello students, this is the video tutorial of Digital Electronics Lab, and in this lab we will be learning how to convert binary codes into gray codes. As you know that gray codes are also called mirror code, and this is found by adding an XOR gate between two consecutive gates. And MSB means most significant bit, the highest bit of any digital or any binary series is called MSB. That means this position, the leftmost position is MSB. This remains same as binary code. So this is the logic of finding gray codes from binary codes. MSB remains same, that means B3 and G3 same. Then G2 can be obtained by adding an XOR gate between B3 and B2. So this is XOR and we are getting G2. Then B2 and B1 XOR getting G1. B1 B0 XOR getting G0. So these are binary codes, these are gray codes. This is the circuit of binary to gray. See, 3 XOR gates have been connected, and B3 and G3 is short circuited as B3 and G3 is same. Now B2 is connected to an XOR gate and B3 also connected, and in between these two gates we are getting G2, that means the gray code, the next gray code. And in B1 and B2 we are getting G1, and XOR of B1 and B0 we are getting G0. So this is the truth table of binary to gray. See these 4-bit truth table, 4-bit binary numbers and 4-bit gray numbers. Now see, I have connected the circuit according to this circuit diagram. I have connected this circuit. This is an XOR gate, and as you know from the construction of IC that one XOR gate 17486 IC contains 4 XOR gates. We need 3 XOR gates here, so we need only one IC to design the whole circuit. Now this is my circuit, these are my inputs. Suppose this is B3, B2, B1 and B0. B3, B2, B1, B0. And this LED represents G3, output MSB G3, as this LED is not working properly. I have not connected any wire from this LED. G3 is connected here. Assume this is as G3, G2, G1, G0. G3, G2, G1, G0. So see the truth table. See, first 0 0 0 0 output is 0 0 0 0. 0 0 0 0 output is 0 0, all are 0. When you are getting output binary number 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, see G0 is 1. Now 0 0 1 0 0 we are getting 0 0 1 1. So 0 0 1 0. See, 0 0 1 0 we are getting 0 0 1 1. This logic 0 0 1 1. Now 0 0 1 1 we are getting 0 0 1 0. 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. This way you can find any binary numbers into gray numbers. 4-bit obviously 4-bit binary. This is the design of 4-bit binary to gray conversion. Suppose I am checking this number 0000110. See 0110, where is 0110? 0110. Gray code is 0101. So 0101. This is right. Now check, suppose you check this one. 41 1111 1 1. Output is 1000 1000. So this way we can find out any gray numbers from binary numbers. Thank you. This is the reverse connection. That means we are getting here gray numbers to binary numbers, and this is the logic here. Same that MSB becomes MSB, that means G3 becomes B3. This remains same. And how I can get B2 by adding an XOR gate between B3 and G2. That means the output of present XOR gate to the input of next XOR gate. This is the circuit. This is B2. Now how I can get B1? That B2, that means the output of this gate is going to the input of this XOR gate, and the output of this XOR gate is going to the input of this XOR gate. Using this circuit we can get gray code to binary code. Before we have seen binary to gray, this is gray to binary. This is the truth table. And this is the circuit. I have connected the circuit and check some samples. Suppose 0000, all outputs are 0. All outputs are 0. 0001, 0001. Now randomly you can check any gray input number. Suppose I am checking 1111. 1111. See, 1111, logic is 1010, output is 1010. So 1010. Now suppose check this number 1011. 1011. 1011. 1011. 1101. 1101. Now suppose check this sample 0110. 0110. 0110, and the output is 0100. 0100. This way we can find gray to binary numbers. Thank you.